So welcome back to another Jellyman video. Today I am in my basement with Serbia. What the fuck?
Oh, that's kind of weird. I would say it's almost radical.
Radical. Ah!
Wow, guys, you won't believe it. The ghost got his ass. Guys, look.
What? Bro, what the fuck?
Ghost activity.
Is that a party? Wait, what the fuck? Wait, oh my...
Guys, the pipes.
The
pipes.
The pipes.
Shut the fuck up, ghost. Alright, let's go out here.
Alright, let's
go. Ooh, a torture chamber.
Torture. Alright, Serbia, check that out. I'm gonna go there. Bro, the door is closed. What the fuck? Oh my god. Yo, chill. What the fuck? Bro. Oh my. Holy sh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Bro, chill. Stop, man. Oh my god. Bro, chill. This is not even funny. This is not even funny. Bro, what the fuck?
What the hell?
Bro, she broke it.
Oh my god.
Bro, we can't. No, stop. We messed it up.
Don't worry. I have a weapon. He's my weapon of choice. Alright.
Bro, we're gonna get. This is actually so creepy.
It's like so creepy and kind of.
What?
What's that? Drake Paul? Drake Paul, I'm your biggest fan.
Drake Paul, I'm your biggest fan. Bro, oh my god, what is that?
Guys, we're gonna escape.
We're gonna escape.